Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Poll Everywhere. Now, Poll Everywhere is a great tool to use in your classroom. Personally, I use it to test my students and receive feedback on what they have been learning in class. It really helps me to understand what I'm doing well and what I need to improve on. Also, the students kind of look at it as a game as well, so it's a win-win for everyone. So if you look here in the top left, it says new activity. That's where we will get started today. But first, you always have to have an account in order to use it. So here's my account, Cardin Mahler 775. But we will demonstrate how to start a new activity. So there are many options. There's multiple choice, word cloud, Q&A, clickable image, survey, open-ended, competition, and more. So personally, I always use multiple choice just because it has received good reviews in my classrooms, and personally, I also think it is the best option. It goes really well in history classes. So, for example, we can toss out a question like, when did the USA enter World War II? So that's our question. And then you go down here and you type in an answer. So we'll say December 7th, 1939. And that is the wrong answer, just to let you know. Then we'll go down here and say December 7th, 1941, which is the right answer. But we're going to add a couple more as well. Here we go. So here's our first multiple choice question. It's when did the U.S. enter World War II? So as you can see, it's a great way to see what the kids have been understanding in class and what you may need to improve on. And as I said before, it's a lot of fun for the students, and you can even go over here and turn it into a competition with the multiple choice. I do that as well. So that is also an incredible option. So obviously, once you're done putting in your answers to your question, you hit create. So then this is what it looks like, and then you can show responses. You can lock it so that the students can't respond anymore. There's just a lot of great features. So the students, all they have to do is go look at the screen that's being projected, and they can join using any sort of technology. So they can respond at polleverywhere.com, Cardin Mahler, or they can text Cardin Mahler to 37607 to join. So there are just many great options. It's very user friendly and very easy to use.